Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This video is about how to get Blender updated automatically for free forever. It's such an easy fix. All you have to do is go into Steam and then search up Blender on the Steam store. And what this will do is it'll basically find the Blender application on Steam, which they have updated, and basically if you install that, then it basically treats it like any other software, and it literally updates. As soon as an update comes out, it updates automatically. So you don't have to go to the website, and you don't have to download a separate version of Blender every single time an update comes out, because if you do it through Steam, it'll basically just update automatically as it would for any other game. And so this is like the easiest way to get Blender in the latest version, always absolutely free every time. And also, you don't have to waste your time going onto a website and finding the right application, then downloading it, installing it, removing the old version, which you usually have to do as well. And so yeah, this is very, very, very easy. And well, since you're already here, might as well watch me make something. I'm just mucking around. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to make something cool for you guys, you know. Make it so that you guys can see it. You guys can see me make something, and it's pretty cool, you know. It's like a cool material that you can make with a Checker texture. If you just plug that into the base color of a principled whatever it is, shader, you can just change the coordinates and you know, just muck around with that. Yeah, you can just play around, and then once you're happy with whatever text you have, you can displace it, and then it looks like a weaving sort of pattern. It's pretty cool, just like that. And then yeah, just be mucking around, and I'm walking in grass, but now I'm not walking in grass anymore. Yeah, so I'm just putting the camera in the right place, moving that around, putting the checker into the displacement. It looks so much better, because it actually has that displacement now, so it actually has like depth or whatever. And yeah, so you can just muck around with that. And once you're chappy, once you're a little nappy, if you know what I'm talking about, then you can just render it up whenever you want. This is pretty cool render. I'm just gonna render it out real quick, just rendering it out. Nothing much to it, just click render and then render image. And well, you have something, don't you? You have something that actually looks pretty nice. You can use that material for whatever you like. No copyright. How's that? Copyright free material right there. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Well, it wasn't the end of the video, like ages ago. I'm just mucking around, getting that watch time, you know. So that's what it's all about. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. If you guys will check out more mucking videos, you can just look at this video over here or over here, or you can just subscribe to me like this over here. Because you know, if you want more of this amazing content, then you can just subscribe. Okay, see ya.